Hi and welcome to this new tutorial. Today, we will discover together how easy it is to upgrade to the Pro version of Flazio with just a few simple clicks. With the Pro version of Flazio, you can have a custom domain, up to 5 professional email boxes, each with 5 gigabytes, unlimited hosting, multilingual dashboard, and unlocked advanced features such as an e-commerce platform for selling your products online, an online booking system to receive reservations from the services you offer, or the accommodation facilities you manage, and much more. To upgrade to the Pro version, click on the Activate Pro button at the top right in the editor. Choose the plan you wish to activate, either monthly or annually. If you have a promotional code, you can enter it at this stage by clicking on the I have a promotional code link. Choose to pay via your PayPal account or with a credit card, enter the details, and click Confirm. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, and the rest of your personal details. The information you provide will be used both for the domain registration and for receiving the payment invoice, associated with the payment method chosen in the first stage. Continue by clicking Forward and entering the address, city, and postal code. After this step, the system will initiate the payment for the activation of the Pro service. Next, you can choose the domain to activate. If you're not yet sure which domain to associate with the site, you can simply close this window and choose the domain later. Once you're ready, click on Domain Choice and enter the domain you wish to activate. You can activate a new domain by indicating its extension and clicking Forward. If you already have a domain, you can decide to transfer it to Flazio or point the DNS records from your provider to our servers. If you wish to transfer it to Flazio, you'll need to request the authcode from your provider. After entering the chosen name, the system will perform a check to verify the validity of the domain. If it's already taken and you're the owner, click I am the owner. Enter the authcode provided by the provider if you wish to transfer the domain to Flazio. This way, we will manage the domain and its transfer process. If you want to keep the domain with your current provider, perhaps because you use active services on the provider, like emails, select DNS connection. By doing so, the domain will remain active with the old provider, and you'll need to ensure to renew it upon each expiration. Make sure to point the DNS records as indicated in the guide you will receive via email or from the tutorials available on our website. The domain will never be fully active if the DNS configuration is not done correctly. Finally, click Next and wait for the domain activation on your site. Your Pro account is now active. Discover all the features that await you and have fun creating your fantastic website. Thank you for following us. Like, subscribe, and activate the bell to not miss out on new tutorials.